So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo what are the steps in applying for YouTube monetization and how to apply in YPP or YouTube Partner Program. So please bear with me and let's get started. Before applying, we have two requirements, which is the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. And then, okay ka na mag-apply. Ayan. So, yan. The step number 1 is the YouTube Partner Program terms. Ayan. Tapos, nandyan yung mga rules, mga terms and conditions. Ayan. Scroll ka lang and then makikita mo yung box. You can tick the box. Ayan, I accept YouTube Partner Program terms and then accept terms. So, magpa-process na yan. Ayan, tapos dana. Mga ilang minutes lang yan. So, let's proceed to step 2. Click the start button, yung blue. And then, do you have an existing AdSense account? So, for me, yes, kasi naka-create na ako. And, sa mga hindi pa, no yung ilagay nyo. Yan, continue. Ayan. Choose your account. Yung connected sa YouTube na account mo. Ayan. So, your website, automatic na yan. Ayan. Tapos, get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized and help performance suggestion. Ayan. Tapos, select your country. So, isi-select natin yung Korea. Ay, char. Philippines. Kasi Philippines tayo. Ayan. So, ayan. Philippines. Ayan. Ayun. Tapos lalabas yung accept our terms and conditions, ganyan. Basahin nyo lang yan. Sa akin, sinave ko yan. Kinapi-paste ko yan. Nilagay ko sa notepad, tapos binasa ko. Ayan. Tapos, yes, I have read and accept the agreements. Ayan. Tapos, create account. Ayan. Mapupunta ka sa Google AdSense mo. Ayan. Get started. And after that, mag-fill up ka ng payment address mo. Ganyan. Tapos, ang nakalagay dyan is your complete name, customer info, account type. Ilagay mo lang yan sa account type, individual. And then, may address line 1. Tapos, address line 2. Ayan. Ganyan. Tapos, sub-orb. Yung sub-orb is, barangay mo yan. Barangay. And then, city, postal code, province, and your number. And after that, you can click submit. Ayan. Personal info lang yan. Kaya, hindi ko na pinapakita. Ayan, redirect na. Click redirect. Ayan. So after that, we're working on setting you up. This usually takes a few days, but in some cases can take up to 2 weeks. We'll notify you when everything's ready, then start earning money by placing ads. Ayan. So, after few days, maglalagay na yan ng ads sa mga mo. Magpa-process pa yan ng step 3. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. And in progress na yung step 2. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na yan sa step 3. Ayan, done na yung step 2 and then in progress na rin yung step 3. And after nun, antay ako sa email ni YouTube creator. And then yes, I receive it after 2 days. Kaya ito yung email niya. Congratulations, your YouTube channel has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. To get you started, check out the YouTube Creator site so you can stay connected to the YouTube team and other creators like you. We also recommend reviewing the YouTube Help Center to learn more. And after ng email, chinek ko yung YouTube Studio ko and yan, may mga changes na. May supers na, super chat and super stickers. Ganyan, pero hindi pa natin yan gagalawin. Pupunta muna tayo sa mga videos natin. Ayan. Para i-on yung monetization. Ayan. On mo lang yan lahat. Ganyan. Tapos after nyan, punta ka sa videos mo. Ayan. May mga ads nang lalabas. So, ayun lang guys. I hope you learned something in this tutorial and I wanna shout out to Chanity Art Daily, my friend's channel. And please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and for upcoming videos in his channel. So, yan.
Woke up on a Saturday morning, hoping that you had called me. Realized it was the afternoon, I'm still sleeping off the party.